positioning your leather material on the Cricut mat, leave an inch of space without leather to accommodate all the wheels stacked up on one side. If you'd like to add personalization to your leather bow keychain, you can with iron-on vinyl. I would recommend keeping the designs small and simple, such as initials. Use a Cricut Easy Press Mini on the lowest setting to apply the iron-on. Apply the heat for 10 or 15 seconds and do a warm peel. To create a bow, fold over one of the sides and secure with a small dab of super glue. Hold together tightly. Once the first side is secure, fold over the second side and glue the tab on top of the first. With the bow side secured, fold the middle strip up and thread the strip through a key ring before folding the strip over the back. Leave a little wiggle room for the key ring so it can move. If needed, trim any excess leather on the strip before applying glue. The last part is to glue the ribbon part of the bow. Secure the bow ribbon section across the back with a few dabs of glue and hold tight. Your keychain is complete and ready for use.